Hello everyone, thank you all for tuning in. I am Dasia and I am so very excited to get started with my first cooking demo video with you all today. We will be making something very simple and easy to do right at home. Everyone's favorite, guacamole. And if you've never made guacamole fresh at home, that's totally fine. You've probably had it at your favorite Tex-Mex or Mexican restaurant. After this video, you all will be feeling very confident to make this delicious dish right at home. First, let's get started with everything you'll need to create this dish. A cutting board, a sharp knife, a fork or a potato masher, depending on what you have, measuring spoons, and a bowl. Pretty simple, right? Here are your ingredients. 1/4 red onion, 1 clove of garlic, 2 plum tomatoes, 1 medium lime, the star of the show, 2 ripe avocados, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and this is optional, cilantro. So first you want to cut your onion just like this, and we'll only need 1/4 of it. So, oh, doesn't it look very beautiful, that color? And we'll peel off this layer here. It's smelling really good already. Next are 2 plum red tomatoes. They smell so delicious, that bright red color. Whenever you have purples and reds on your plate, it really makes the dish pop. They look really great. A trick to getting that pit out there is you hit it really hard with your knife and then sort of turn it back and forth. It can be a little stubborn, but it comes right out. You set that to the side. And what I like to do is sort of just and then squeeze it in a bowl here. And if you have kids at home, this part would be a lot of fun for them. They like to get nice and messy, getting their hands messy. Scoop it out just like that, right into our bowl. Oops. And if you have a little bit of the brown spots, we can just take that part right off. It's a little too ripe. And then you can either smash it with your fork, like so, until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Or, like I said before, you can also use a potato masher, which is what I'm going to use now. I think it really gets the job done. Okay, so once it's nice and smashed, then we can go ahead and add our tomatoes. Like so. And add our onions and garlic. like so. And a little salt. And our cumin. And we'll set this aside. And then as for our cilantro, we'll pick off a few of the leaves here. We don't necessarily want the stems. Just sort of pick them off just like that. And I like to take my cilantro and pile it on top of each other, just like this, and sort of roll it, and then give it a nice rough chop. And then we'll put this right on top here. I think it's coming together very nicely. And we can't forget your lime. Just squeeze it right on top there. A cool trick I learned about squeezing lemons and limes is if you hold it right side up like this, the seeds won't go directly into the dish. This is a cool snack. Keeps you full, a guilt-free snack. All right, and your guacamole is all finished. All right, guys, and just like that, you are all done. You should be proud of yourselves. I know I am. Eat your guacamole on a tortilla chip, whole grain cracker, your favorite whole grain cracker, inside a taco. Top it off on a salad. Do like I am today, eating it on a tortilla chip. But get creative with it and have fun. That's the most important thing. And I'll see you guys next week. I hope you guys tune in for our cooking demo next week. See you then.